Keep getting this out there as much as you can. I almost caught up and they had to run off. So they sort of lost me for a bit. The cars are clearly not happy with Victoria Police blocking them off. I don't know how much physically longer I can go. I absolutely wrecked myself yesterday. I want to try and be every day, all day, but it had to be nice, some toast and OJ, bit of bread and juice, and a motorised scooter to move around. That'd be great. Across the road, I don't see Rebel News across the road anywhere. But I'm gonna keep alive going if I can. Shit. You know what? I'm gonna keep it going as long as I can, but I may have to call it a day soon, guys. There's no point me fucking passing out and taking myself out of action. I'll try to move a little bit quicker if I can, but
Guys, we're almost down the strip road, you guys.
oh yeah. I'm physically done for the day. I can walk at best. I can barely walk. So I do apologise for that, guys. I just had too much walking yesterday, going to the Westgate Bridge and back in 2 loops of the city, and going again the next day. It normally takes me 24 hours to recover from an event. Yeah, I'm going to call it a day, guys. I'm really sorry, but if I might take a bit of a rest and go back on soon, okay? Thanks so much for watching, guys. Share it out there, and I really apologise for this. I'll try and get back on as best I can. Thanks, guys.